Hello again. So back on our dashboard, today we are going to learn how to assign cross-sells to your global cart. First, let's take a look at the shop over here. This is my cart page. After customers add items to the cart, this is the view that they will see. Let's make sure we add some cross-sells to this page. So go back to your dashboard and your global cart. And now you can assign cross-sells to show on your global cart. So after assigning some items to my global cart cross-sells, you can also drag and drop the order that those items are going to be shown. Be sure to save your changes. And now, taking a look at my shop, I can see on my cart page the cross-sells showing and reflecting on the same order that I selected on my global cart cross-sells. So that's for showing the global cart cross-sells on your cart page. What if you want to show some handpicked cross-sells? You can also do that. Go on your settings. On your cart page settings, select to use cross-sells of last item added to the cart, meaning that the handpicked cross-sells for the last item added to the cart will be the cross-sells showing up on your cart page. From here, you can also change the heading. And you can also limit the number of cross-sells that will be shown on your cart page. Now, let's try it out showing the handpicked cross-sells on your cart page. For example, if the last item that someone added to their cart is this pair of shoes over here, then those are the cross-sells that will be showing. And now I can see that my cross-sells are suggesting the hand-picked products from this item instead of my global cart items.